Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinkercad Electronic Sessions. Today in this session, I am going to design series circuit and a parallel circuit also. So for that, I am going to take a breadboard, small breadboard. So after taking the breadboard, I am going to take LEDs, light emitting diodes. So I am going to take 5 LEDs. One, this one is 2 and 3, 4 and 5 LEDs I have taken. So to power up these LEDs, I need a voltage source. I am going to take this 9 volts battery here and I am rotating this. Okay, so this is for series circuit. This one is the anode, this is the anode of this LED, anode, and the left side pins are cathodes. Okay, so we have to connect this negative of the battery to the cathodes and the positive of this battery with the anodes of all these. Okay, so we have to connect this negative to the cathode of the LED and the positive should be go to the anode. Okay, so for that, now I am going to give the connections. Okay, so for series circuit, so first we have to connect positive to negative, likewise we have to connect. Okay, so all these are interconnected, but now we have to give this, means we have to connect this positive with this anode and this negative with this cathode. Okay, so I am directly taking it like this, positive or and from here negative. Okay, so there is no connection between negative and positive. These are two different wires, there is no connection. Okay, it looks like both the connections are overlapped, but the connections are separate, they are not connected. Okay, so first we will check how it works. So I am going to start the simulation. So the simulation timer already started and the LEDs are glown, right? So to observe that, I am going to stop the simulation again. So now the LEDs are in off state. Okay, when I press this start simulation button, then the LEDs will glow. Just observe the LEDs, right? Now actually the LEDs needs only 1.5 voltage minimum, right? 1.5 to 1.8 voltage, maximum is 1.8 voltage. So when we connected this 9 volt battery to a single LED, the LED will blast. Okay, because due to the high voltage, normally the LED needs 1.5 to 1.8 voltage only. Okay, maximum 1.8 volts it takes, but here we are using 5 LEDs and we are using a 9 volt battery, so the voltage is divided, so that's why no LED is burnt. Okay, so the voltage 9 volts which we are giving to this circuit will be shared by all these components, all these LEDs. So this LED takes 1.8 volts, this LED takes 1.8 volts, this LED takes 1.8 volts. Like that, if you calculate the total voltage, 1.8 plus 1.8, right? 3.6 plus these two, 3.6. Okay, 7.2 plus 1.8, 9 volts. Exactly, the 9 volts is divided into equal amount. That's 1.8, 1.8, 1.8, like this for all the 5 LEDs. The voltage is distributed. So in series connections, the voltage is distributed always. Okay. Now I am going to construct the parallel circuit also. For that I am going to take a 1.5 volt battery. So, and I am going to change the properties as two batteries, means 1.5 volt plus 1.5 volts, totally 3 volts I am taking. Both are AA batteries only. Okay, so I am going to work with same LEDs here. So LED 1, I am going to take almost 5 to 6 LEDs, because in series we worked with 5 LEDs. So first I am going to take 5 LEDs. So here I had taken two 1.5 volt batteries, so which forms 3 volts totally, and 5 LEDs. So now I am going to connect this positive with the anodes of the LEDs. So from here to here I am going to connect. So from here to here. Okay, so from here to this anode, and from this anode to this anode. Likewise I am connecting all the anodes. I am connecting all the anodes with the positive of this battery. Okay, now I have to connect the negative with all the cathodes of the LEDs. For that so I'm connecting all the cathodes like this. So once we connected all the cathodes and all the anodes with the battery, now we have to start the simulation. Just observe the both outputs here, series circuit and parallel circuit. So here the series circuit LEDs are glowing, but the parallel circuit LEDs are glowing very brightly, because the LEDs needs 1.8 volts, but we provided 3 volts. So that's why the intensity, glowing intensity is very high. Okay, here actually the total voltage is 3 volts, but here we are taken 5 LEDs. So 5 LEDs means here 5 LEDs are using 9 volts, here 5 LEDs are using 3 volts only. So the voltage is not divided here. Each and every LED is receiving 3 volts. Okay, if I'm going to stop the simulation here, and if we want we can connect one more LED also here. So there is no change in the output. We can observe that nothing, means that doesn't affect the output. Okay, so here I connected 6th one also. So I'm going to start the simulation. All the LEDs are glowing equally. So all the LEDs are receiving the 3 volts supply. Okay, here all the LEDs are receiving 1.8 volts. Here all the LEDs are receiving 3 volts. Means in series circuits the voltage will be divided, but in parallel circuits the voltage is not divided and is supplied to all the LEDs equally, that is 3 volts. Okay, thank you.